Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying safety. Unload the gun, remove the magazine, and physically check the chamber. Once done, secure the frame in a padded vise so it cannot shift while you work. Make sure you pick the correct pusher tip for your sight and roughly set the shaft depth to engage behind the sight base. You'll feel when the tool contacts metal. Stop and recheck alignment if it catches unevenly. This keeps the first move controlled and prevents damage. Now focus on moving the sight. Align the pusher tip so it bears flat against the sight shoulder, because any angle will mar the sight. Apply slow, steady turns, small increments, and watch the sight slide. This gives you tactile feedback and prevents binding. If you feel a sudden resistance spike, stop, back the tool off, and reseat to correct alignment. Make sure to use a bit of penetrating oil only if the design allows. That eases stubborn pins without forcing. Finish by moving the sight to your exact target position. Once there, follow the firearm maker's method to secure it, whether that's staking, set screws, or light peening. After securing, double-check alignment visually and perform a function check to confirm nothing interferes with the slide or sights. If the pusher stalls, troubleshoot by loosening, realigning, and attempting again. As a last resort, use a drift punch with controlled taps, always avoiding excessive force to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.